Hi, Dr. Q here from Star Nursery. Today, Joey Lynn and I are here to remind you that fall is for planting, and now is the time to plant all of your cool season veggies and herbs.
Although there is still a small window for some warm season crops, like tomatoes and peppers, now is the time to plant your long-lasting cool season crops.
Keep your victory garden going by planting varieties like broccoli, Brussels sprouts, cabbage and kale, cauliflower, collards, mustard, and spinach. Other crops that do well in the cool season are beets, carrots, turnips, onions, and peas.
If you're wanting to start an herb garden, stick with cold hardy herbs such as rosemary, oregano, thyme, and winter savory.
When deciding which vegetables or herbs to plant, always consider how much space will be needed. Although raised beds are suggested as the best way to grow veggies and herbs, if you don't have the space, they can also do well in containers.
Make sure to check your containers often, as they tend to dry out quicker than raised beds. If a freeze is predicted, it is important to keep your vegetables and herbs hydrated.
The most important thing you can do for any plant that produces fruit is to give it an irrigation system that is efficient and reliable.
If you don't have access to an automatic irrigation system, we have a fix for that.
You can build a traditional drip irrigation system with polytubing and drip emitters, then simply connect it to your garden hose using a drip hose adapter.
Connect a battery-operated sprinkler timer directly to the hose faucet.
Another effective way to water your vegetables and herbs is to use an above-ground soaker hose. But let's not overlook the most important detail of starting your vegetable and herb gardening. The key to successful gardening here is good soil preparation.
Our Dr. Q's soils and fertilizers are specially formulated for our harsh southwest conditions. For raised beds, use Dr. Q's vegetable and herb planting mix. And for container gardening, use organic Dr. Q's Filthy Rich or Dr. Q's Filthy Rich Gold potting soil.
Providing nutrients is another important step for successful gardening. Check out the full line of Dr. Q's foods and organic fertilizers.
For more information on this topic, get a copy of our Star Notes, number 200 and number 215 at starnursery.com or on our free app.
And don't forget, we make house calls. Go into your local Star Nursery location or call 702-771-7827 to make an appointment. Star Nursery, your garden's partner for every bloomin' thing.
I'm Joey Lynn.
And I'm Dr. Q, and we'll see you again next week.